Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today we're going to talk about how to build this glass or pretty glass here. Okay, so very simple. We start with panel point. I'll start with panel point only. Go to part. Okay, after that we drag superboard first or superboard to build the bottom. Okay, so this one I will give 1200. This one I will remain 600 how to do the pattern. Okay. Then we do the pattern first of all, make the pattern come out first. So UB board selection, right click, then you click on panel point editing. So this one, the existing board, you delete. Okay, then you draw the shape, the pattern, any pattern you want. So maybe I put here 200, this one 1, 2, 3, 200 also. This one 1, 2, 3, 200 also. Okay, come back all the way. Okay, this is the banner, so I'll just change the pattern. Only. Okay, curve. Okay, curve also. Okay, save, return. So this is the bottom lah, guys. This one is the bottom. Okay, adjust it. Okay, almost like that. Then I'll duplicate it one more time. Control V, duplicate one more. So this one I'll give 900. I think 600 not that much. Or 600. Okay. This one I'll put one on top. Just use a Z button, move it. Or actually, I can Control Z. Okay, then select it. So this one distance are 1148. So just change it up the distance, change it. Okay, change to 1148 enter. Okay, then move it up. This one must more than 600 610. 600 is enough. 600. Okay, or you can move it a bit. So something like this, the bottom and the here. Then we have one more rectangle here, so we put one more rectangle. So this one will drag one more rectangle here, or you can create yourself. This one I'll give it 300. This one put here. Exit 0. This one height 3000 maybe 3000. Okay, all the way to the top. So now we will do glasses. This one same on the top here. You see top got this one gray silver one. So we just drag only. So Control V, copy one. Select it, Control V. Select it, Control V. Okay, then this one same thing, we do the same thing. This one 1190. Okay, here change it 1191 enter. Yeah, never mind, I can use this Z. Okay, move it almost there. 1191. Okay, then move it up. Okay, so this one usually on top lah. Okay, so I'll move on top. Come down. Okay, you adjust yourself the thing. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna do the glass lah. The glass we will use this one. Oh guys, the cylinder lah. The glass we will use cylinder. Okay, simply just include the white. Okay, include the height. Increase the height lah. So let's say I put 2500. Okay. Okay, then I'll change the material first off. Okay, for material guys, you may just click here or distance center. Okay, then come to store and now come to product, my texture, click on publish. Okay, so we'll upload one material for the glass. Okay, so maybe I choose this one. I'll change the name a bit, and the style I'll choose this one, and this one we choose let me see, I got frosted and we choose printed glass lah, don't want trouble. Okay, this one a bit difficult, so we don't want trouble, we choose printed glass. So let me see, where is the printed glass? Printed glass. Okay, choose white color. Simply this one just upload one white matte or white texture. Okay, white only. Then I'll click the glass group or the group you create yourself category. Okay, after done already, you will come to here, this one, right? I'll click choose the material, choose my, then choose what I want. Okay, so this is the glass. Then I will move it, move it inside. Or you can change the size up to you guys. If you think it's too big, then you change the size 50 also can. Okay, still up to you. Or then you arrange it or self-arrange it. Arrange it. Wait, control Z. Move back here. This one move in here. Okay. Okay, cylinder. You adjust yourself this one here. Okay, so this one I'll adjust a bit. This one. Okay, move it up here. Okay, then test Control V. So Control V is that side, right? That means I need to rotate. Okay, so here I'll rotate it to the 90 degrees. Okay, then I press Control V. You see, it will convenience you. Okay, almost there. Then you move Control V again, then move it a bit. Okay, then no restrict this one. Okay, so this one will same we'll move it rotate back 1 2 3 4 90 degrees. Okay, then Control V. Or else if you're stupid then you need to do everything. Okay, so this one you close yourself the gap a bit. Okay, okay, so let's apply the material. For the material here we got gold white, so this one is white, right? I'll put white just choose white color, lacquered, matte lacquered white color. Okay, then another is silver, so this one will be silver. Just change to matte. Okay, simply simply choose if you don't have, you upload yourself. Okay, format printer, copy. Okay, so this one is mirror this one is mirror. Just click on it, change it to mirror. Okay, that is the mirror. Mirror is under glass. Remember, mirror always under glass. Okay, choose mirror only. Mirror. Okay, so let's render to see the result. Okay. Control S, save as. Oh, don't know what will happen. And put lighting. Okay, then click submit. So a few moments later, ta-da! So open it. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.